Gold, I told you so. This is the reason why I sold a few months ago when the market of gold, the spot price was at the very top of the market, and I did a video, you can see right here, and everyone laughed at me and said I was crazy. And you can see today that gold's getting slaughtered. Also notice that into 2016 and the beginning of 2017, I came out publicly saying that gold was the play, and everyone laughed at me, which ended up happening that gold hit its all-time high again. Okay? So that said, definitely a believer in gold, okay? And I'm gonna be doing a video in the next couple of weeks talking about how my dad bought some gold in 1976. It went from 50 bucks, and today that gold is worth, that exact coin is worth over $550, even in the crash. So I'm a high believer of gold, but you know, my intuition told me that I should dump when gold was at the top of the market. I bought it back in 2016, 2017, when it was roughly an ounce of gold was $1,100. And so I liquidated my positioning, and I did a video for you guys at top of the market, okay? 1900 and some change. And I got so much, hate from some of my viewers saying that's going to go up, blah, blah, blah. And I knew for me, it was a good time to exit and take profits. Now, I'm a big believer of gold. I still have a little positioning. I'm not going to be getting into these markets at these numbers. Today is like $1,700 an ounce. I may be getting into it if it drops down to a lot lower, okay? But at this time, I'm just, stacking my chips, getting my liquidity ready for the real estate crash that's, we're waiting for the Fed to allow foreclosures, to allow, well, I shouldn't say the Fed, they're just doing the printing, but the Fed and Big Brother to allow the normalcy of the market to play in, a free market. We know it ain't free and it's been manipulated, speculation, but in my opinion, that's what's happening. Okay, so guys, I show you exactly what I'm doing. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a refugee to America that was lucky enough to turn $100 in three businesses, and then I gave up all my accumulations, guys. Okay, because I wasn't happy of what society told me what wealth was. All right. And I went with Buddha and Jesus did, which is to go homeless and find out the meaning of life. And so I'm here to tell you that, a lot of people listen to the charts. A lot of people listen to CNN, NBC, these guys, all these smarter people. But I've been calling them out. 2016, when I said gold was the play, everyone laughed at me. And again, gold hit all-time high. And then I was able to exit. Just a couple of weeks ago, I exited. I said I've sold a bunch of Bitcoin, and then the market tanked. Now it looks like it's coming back up a little bit. See, these are all great opportunities to sell high and re-enter at the lower price. Again, not for you. This is what I'm doing. Anyways, guys, I hadn't done a video for a while. I just wanted to tell you, always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Go out there and enjoy life, guys. Hustle and bustle. Money's fake. Click the like button. It definitely helps out the algorithms and helps out my family. Thank you, guys. Peace.